Parents and teachers have been urged to enhance their children's talents to ensure they foster creativity in the performing arts. This comes in the backdrop of student-led Play Our Town by Thornton Wilder, organized by Brookhurst International School, Kiserian campus. The production and performances brought about thought reflections as the students showcased their talents beyond the classroom with the extracurricular activities, playing a vital role in shaping well-rounded learners while offering them new perspectives on life.
We should utilize the time that we have on earth wisely, because the time that we have here is limited.
And the lesson learned is that you don't chase love. Love chases you.
The play Our Town was performed by our students in high school, and we had a band, a live band, a choir, and the actors all came from the junior high school. I feel that the play was a really good one for their performance because, one, it's an American classical that is very hard to perform, and two, it has a lot of juxtaposition, a lot of classical hymns that are not very easy for the current generation to actually actualize it on stage. For the performance, I think they really did well, a very good job for amateur actors.
Well, we take another short break here on KTN News Desk, but do not go far. We still have business news and sports on standby.